Today I'm going to show you how to disable Google Gemini on long press on the power button of your Android phone. When you press the power button and you long press on it, it shows you the Google Gemini instead of the power menu. And to disable that, watch this video till end. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your phone settings. Then scroll down. Go to Advanced Features. From there, go to Side button. After that, tap on Long Press option. Then choose here Power Off menu. That's it. Now if I long press on the power button, as you can see, Power menu appears on the screen. So friends, this is how you can fix this issue. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. Thanks for watching this video.